Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be playing the LoveWorld Anthem. We're going to be doing it in two keys, and I'll try my best to explain them to you in simple keyboard language. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to be playing it in the key of F, and then when I finish I'll try and play it in the key of C. Alright, so for the key of F, so I'm going to be showing you the progression. So it's a 1. It starts on. So there's a chord. Then you do. Alright, so there's a 1. So it's a 1 to 4. We are LoveWorld. Then so from 4 you move to a chord 5. Da, 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 or you do a 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so this is the intro. That's 1. Then you do a 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you play a 5 on the left, and then a sus 4 on the right. You could even play a chord 4 like this. Alright, so we are LoveWorld. Then I played a minor 9th. You could also play a minor 7th before you move to a 4. So it's like this. We are LoveWorld. We are da, 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 da. So when you play the sus, da, 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 this is chord 1 to a 4, and then a 5 back to 1. You could play like this. Da, 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 da. So 2, 3, 4. You just but it's better you play with a 2. Alright. So we are LoveWorld. Chord 1, play like this. Da, 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 da. Then you move to it again. Da, 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 4, 5, 6. Da, da, da. This is chord 2. Then you play a flat 5. before like this, a suspended chord 5. So like from the beginning, da 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 da. You can do this before you move to the 4, or you can do. Alright. Personally, I like this one. So B, 2. Chord 6, then you do a 2, then a flat 5, then to 5 with a suspended, chord 4, chord 5, now I played 4, 5, 1. You could play So let me play everything again, all right, so that you can follow. So the last part. Alright, so this part you play a flat 6, a flat 7, and then a chord 1. And then the flat you play them in a major. Alright, so let's try and play it in the key of C. Alright, so it's the same progression. Sorry. Okay, for the last time. Then you do with your source 4. Alright. Da 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 So the intro is like this. You can do, sorry, or then you do the chord, da, 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 chord 1, da, 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 da. You know, I showed you this minor ninth before you go to the chord 4. So you play like this. Sorry, right? Da, 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 da. So basically that's the whole song, from a 1 to a 4, 5, back to a 1, then to a 4, 5, 6, 2, we play a flat 5, then to 5, da 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 da, da 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 da, chord 5, da 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 da. Alright, so thank you for being a part of this tutorial. Keep on subscribing, keep on sharing the links, and very soon I'm going to be starting a series with all of us. We're going to be playing chords, how to form chords. So if we pick a chord like C and a key like C, we're going to form major, minor, then we come back, we play a 6, sorry, a 6, a 7, a G7, sorry, a C7, and then a minor. Alright, then when we finish, we're going to be playing a 9th, an odd 9th. Alright, so we're going to be doing all that. So we're going to be doing it in all the 12 keys, and I'm going to be recording day after day. So keep on subscribing, and thank you for being a part of this channel. God bless you. Bye bye.